In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the status column. Think of the status column as your team's traffic light. It gives everyone a fast, color-coded snapshot of where each item stands without digging into long notes or updates. Each row in your board or list is an item, and the status cell in that row is the spot where you set its current state. Start by locating the status column in your view and click the status cell for the item you want to update. You'll see a small menu or drop-down appear. This is where the magic happens. From here, choose the label that best represents progress right now. Common examples are done, working on it, and stuck. Pick done when the task has been fully completed and no more action is needed. Choose working on it when the task is actively being handled, even if it's only partway finished. Select stuck if something is blocking progress and the item needs attention. The color tied to each label makes it easy to scan your board and instantly identify what's moving and what needs help. If you click the wrong label by accident, don't worry. Just click the status cell again and select the correct one. Keeping these labels accurate and up to date helps teammates trust the board at a glance and reduces back and forth messages. Now, if the default labels don't match your team's language, you can tailor them. Click the title of the status column to open the column menu, then choose Edit Labels. This brings up the label editor where you can customize both the names and the colors. Rename a label to reflect your workflow, like in review, needs info, or on hold. Keep label names short and clear so they fit neatly and are easy to scan. When choosing colors, be intentional. Aim for high contrast between labels so differences are obvious, even during quick reviews. Consider using a bright, standout color for urgent or blocked work, and calmer tones for steady progress. If your team uses accessibility settings or dark mode, pick colors that remain legible in different themes. As you make changes, remember that label edits apply to the entire column, so everyone working in that board will see the new names and colors. This consistency is a feature, not a bug. It keeps your process standardized. Most platforms save these changes automatically, so you can close the editor when you're done. That's all there is to it. Click a status cell, select the right label, and when needed, adjust labels and colors from the column title using Edit Labels. With just these steps, your board becomes clearer, faster to read, and far more useful for your team.